You're welcome to Brainbox Learning Consult. I am Mr. Mario, your instructor, and while staying at home, you can bet and be assured that you are going to get the right mathematics class here. Today we'll be talking about quadratic equation using factorization, and why it's going to be in parts. So do well to follow the parts as we talk about quadratic equation using factorization. Join me as we quickly move on. Before now, you already know that quadratic equation can be solved using three methods: using the factorization method, the completing the square method, and the quadratic formula. And today we'll be talking about the factorization method. In using the factorization method, you have to understand that a quadratic equation must be factorized. So today, in this video, I'll be showing you how to factorize any quadratic expression. And before now, I would like to remind you that in quadratic expression, we have the trinomial quadratic and we have the binomial. The trinomial has 3 terms, while the binomial consists of 2 terms. But this is the general expression of a quadratic equation, where A, B, and C are called constant. So quickly join me as we learn how to factorize in this part. So we can call this part 1. So I will advise you to always check our videos so that you get the complete part. Today let's just see this. Let's see how to factorize things like this. So that you will get it clearly. So in factorization, when working on factorization or when working on trinomial factorization, you need to understand that the first term must multiply the last term, and that will give us a product. So quickly let's do that. So what is the coefficient of the first term here? The first term here, okay, let's do the first term. The first term here is v squared. V squared multiplied by what? Minus 27. You'll be having what? Minus 27 what? V squared. So, minus 27 v squared. So now, this becomes a product. This becomes a product. Now, you are going to look for 2 values such that when you multiply them, they will give you this product, minus 27 v squared. And when you add them, they will give you the second term. And when you are done with that, you are almost done with factorization. So let's see that as we pick values, 2 values, so that when we multiply them, they will give us minus 27 v squared. When we add them, it will give us minus 6 v squared. So let's picture values. I know that 9 and 3 will give us 27. Will give us 27. So let's see what we can do here. If I say okay, 9 times 3 will give us 27. But if I say plus 9 minus 3, plus times minus, we are going to be having minus. 9 times 3, we are going to be having minus 27. So we can see that we are going to have minus 27. You can just add your v, which will definitely give us v squared. Now, you can see that minus 9v times minus 3v will give us minus 27v squared. But let's see. Minus 9v minus 3v cannot give us minus 6v. It's going to give us plus 6. And here we have minus 6v. So if I were you, I would just change the signs. So when I change the sign, this is, I can change the sign here to minus, and plus. So minus times plus, you are going to have minus there. 9 times 3, you are going to have 27. V times V, you are going to have V what? V squared. So let's check that again. Minus 9V plus 3V. Minus 9V plus 3V will give us what? Will give us minus 6 what? V. So you can see that invariably this value gave us what? Minus 6V. And when we multiply them, we got minus 27V squared. You just take this to replace the second term and collect your common factor. So let's do that. Let's use this to replace the second term. As follow. So that will be V squared minus 9V plus 3V minus 27. Now you will agree with me that minus 9V plus 3V will give us minus 6 what? Minus 6V. So you apply your bracket, then you collect what? Common factors. You collect common factor. So let's see the common factor here. What's common here is common here. V is common. So that will be V minus 9. What's common here? 3. That will be V minus 9. You can see that V minus 9 is common. You just pick it out. That will be V minus 9. When I remove V minus 9 here, I'll be left with V. When I remove V minus 9 here, I'll be left with plus 3. This is how you can factorize. So quickly, let me show you another so that you understand better. So let me call this example 2. So let's say 4s squared. Don't forget, I told you that when you follow the instructions properly, you will get the values. There is no big deal on how to solve a quadratic, on how to factorize quadratic equations. So, like we said in the first example, the coefficient of the first term multiply the second term. Let's see that the first term, what we have in the first term is 4s squared. So 4s squared times 9. That will give us 36s squared. 4s squared times 9 will give us 36s squared. And I told you that the second step is that we look for two values. We call this our product. We look for two values such that when we multiply them, we have 36s squared. When we add them, we will have the second term, which is 13x. What are those two values? You will multiply, you will get 36s squared. And when you add them, you have 13x. And that value I see is 9x times 4x. Or rather, we can say it is 4x times 9x. 4 times 9, we have 36. X times x, we have 36 what? S squared. So let's add them. Let's see whether we are going to have the coefficient of the second term. Let's see whether we are going to have the second term. 4x plus 9x, we are going to get 13 what? X. Now this is now what we will use to replace the second term. And doing that, let's do that quickly. That will be 4x squared plus, now instead of writing your 13x, you will substitute in for this, which is 4x plus 9x plus 9. So you agree with me that 4x plus 9x is 13x. You apply your brackets. So what's common here and here? 4x. That will be x plus 1. 9 is common there. That will be x plus 1. So you collect your common factor, which is x plus 1 is common. When I take x plus 1 from here, I'll be left with what? With 4x. When I remove the x plus 1 from here, I'll be left with plus 9. If you follow this step properly, you will come you come to terms with this factorization. So this is how you can factorize in this part 1. I will advise you to subscribe so that you can follow our videos. You just see the subscribe button, click it. Each time we drop videos, you will see it. Till we meet again, I remain Mr. Maro. Thank you.